Is your brand new Spectrum router not working? Let's tackle the most common culprits: activation and cable connections. First, ensure your router is receiving power and displaying a solid white light, indicating it's on. For activation, locate the 12-digit activation code on your router or its packaging. Open the Spectrum app, available on iOS and Android, or visit spectrum.net/activate on a computer. Enter the code and follow the on-screen instructions. If activation fails, power cycle the router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Next, verify your cable connections. The coaxial cable should be securely connected to the cable in port on your router. Use your fingers to tighten it, avoid tools. For wired devices, use Cat5e or higher Ethernet cables and ensure they're not damaged. Faulty or loose cable connections account for a large percentage of router setup issues. If you are still experiencing issues, check to see if there is a Spectrum outage in your area. The Spectrum app is your primary tool for router setup and troubleshooting. Download it from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in with your Spectrum account. The app guides you through cable connections, scans for your router, and tests connectivity. Enable location services for optimal performance. If experiencing issues, the app's self-heal feature can automatically reboot and optimize your router's settings. The Spectrum app also provides error codes for specific problems. For example, E01 indicates a cable issue, while E02 signals an activation failure. Keep the app updated to the latest version for bug fixes and new features, such as QR code scanning for faster pairing. If problems persist, the app offers direct access to Spectrum support, but try the self-service options first.